I'm here in El Yunque, hiking up to the top. This is a really cool, interesting trail. The hikes I've done in the US, I guess each one has its own unique trail style. This is what this one is looking like so far. We're literally in a rainforest, which is really cool. We're approaching Mount Britton Peak. The trail style changed up a bit. This is what it looks like now. I guess those are like little rest stops. This is a lot of clouds, so visibility is not that great, but even still, it's pretty great. It's pretty cool. Kind of give you like the whole 360 here. It's like a little fort, like that chess piece. Forget what that piece is called. The trails are pretty straightforward here so far. Nothing too elaborate. Really cool and safe, unlike everyone told me. They told me coming here would be the death of me. So far, couldn't be farther from the truth. And trail style changes again. This is more of the style of trail that I'm used to in upstate New York, like in the Catskills. The kind of trails I like, you know, the more rugged, harder to see trails. Oh wow, that already looks ominous, exciting, scary. Let's go. Keep you guys on the line just so I feel like I'm with somebody here. Woo. This is pretty cool. I love the wind element of this trail. So windy, it's cool. Makes the forest come to life. Haven't seen no animals, just tons of greenery. Here we are. There we go. I think that's where I was. Mount Britton Peak. Just makes more sense in terms of the direction I came up here in. I'm probably right now facing down a huge cliff, but I can't tell because it's so windy. I mean, not windy, cloudy. All right, guys, made it to the top of I'm at the top of this tower. Christian symbols everywhere in the road. How high up is this? This was a freaking awesome hike. Really cool experience. Not difficult at all. It's just really unique compared to the stuff in New York City. Going back down the stairs of this little tower. This tower is littler than the other ones. They all have like these shelters. But yeah, super cool hike. Glad I did it, guy. I came out. That's the tower up there behind me. I feel like a freaking pirate in the sea. Strong winds. This is so freaking cool, man. We'll chill here a little longer, then head back down. There's this Acapulco place they've been telling me all week, but they only open from Thursday to Sunday, I think. So I've been waiting mad long. They're supposed to be really big and really good.